Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest your tax refund, follow these step-by-step instructions to make the most of this windfall and improve your financial situation. Step 1. Resist the urge to immediately spend your tax refund on discretionary purchases. View this money as an opportunity to accelerate your financial goals rather than as extra spending money. Step 2. Pay off high-interest debt first if you carry credit card balances or other expensive debt. The guaranteed return from eliminating high-interest debt exceeds potential investment returns. Step 3. Build or replenish your emergency fund if you don't have at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved. Financial security requires adequate cash reserves for unexpected situations. Step 4. Contribute to retirement accounts, including IRAs, or increasing your workplace retirement plan contributions. Tax refunds provide an excellent opportunity to boost retirement savings without affecting your regular budget. Step 5. Invest in a taxable brokerage account if your emergency fund is solid and you're maximizing retirement contributions. Consider low-cost index funds for long-term growth potential. Step 6. Invest in yourself through education, skill development, or certifications that could increase your earning power. The return on career investment often exceeds traditional investment returns. Step 7. Consider adjusting your tax withholding if you consistently receive large refunds. While refunds feel good, you're essentially giving the government an interest-free loan throughout the year. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.